This revolutionary AI assistant makes it easy and affordable to create captivating content with its sophisticated AI capabilities and intuitive user interface. Perfect for writers, journalists, marketers, students, you name it. Jasper ensures that creating beautiful stories has never been easier or faster. Put away those troubles of crafting perfect pieces of work, let Jasper take care of them instead. When it comes to choosing an AI writing assistant, there are many things to consider. Here's why we think Jasper is the best choice. Jasper makes creating quality content easier than ever, saving you hours of manual work. By analyzing your input and providing tailored suggestions for any type of story, Jasper takes the hassle out of crafting heartfelt stories that capture a reader's attention. Get ready for speed and savings with Jasper. By running on cloud technology, you can access this writing help anywhere at any time, no software installation required. Perfect for those looking to stretch their resources without sacrificing quality results. Jasper offers an effortless AI assistant experience, so you can seamlessly jump into the platform and start creating without any hassles. Finding new topics or words in a dictionary is easy as pie with Jasper, no need to bother learning difficult commands. And if ever needed, there are helpful tutorials on standby to quickly get back up and running. Jasper is the one-stop solution for all your writing needs. Not only does it offer a speedy, budget-friendly experience, but you'll also get access to advanced features that can take any text game up a notch. Benefit from automated grammar corrections and sentiment analysis so you never have an awkward message again. Don't let the same old drudgery bog you down, start creating quality work today with this revolutionary tool by your side. Try out Jasper now and experience effortless writing like never before. Need a helping hand for your writing needs? Jasper is here to save the day.